Infinix will launch smartphone periscope camera and 160-watt fast charging. What's up guys, it's Anwar from TechNewLeaks. In this video, I'll talk about the Infinix which is going to launch a smartphone with periscope camera, curved display and 160-watt fast charging. Transsion Holdings is a Chinese conglomerate that made its name with brands such as Infinix, itel and Tecno. The company acted in the African and Asian markets with budget smartphones. However, it has been expanding its business since the last year. Infinix and Tecno have been launching multiple smartphones in the mid-range department but are yet to enter the flagship segment. This will change very soon according to a new leak. According to a report, Infinix is working on a very promising smartphone with the industry's leading fast charging technology and other premium aspects. A new Infinix smartphone had its design leaked by XDA developers. Judging by the renders, the Infinix smartphone is unlike any other device the company has ever launched. The smartphone flaunts a bezel-less design with curved edges, smoothing that is not easy to do with a common LCD, so we assume the company is working with AMOLED here. The device has top left aligned punch hole and it supports squarish design with smooth edges. The design makes me remember some Lumia smartphones such as the Nokia Lumia 950. The render also reveals a rectangular camera island that compromises a very unusual arrangement of cameras. We have a massive camera on the top, a smaller unit below, and a periscope camera in the bottom part. It also has a large LED flash. The device also supports a huge Now logo that covers the entire back alongside a smaller Infinix logo. The handset will also support an in-display fingerprint scanner which further confirms the possibility of an OLED display in this phone. The bottom serves as a home for the USB-C port that sits alongside the speaker grill. The power and volume keys are located on the right edge of the smartphone. One of the most intriguing facts in this report is that it suggests a 160-watt fast charging support. An image of the 160-watt ultra flash charge has also leaked in the past. This represents a huge upgrade for the company. The Infinix Zero 8 4th Instant has 33-watt fast charging. This 160-watt charging has the potential to be an industry-leading technology. Honestly, it makes us think if this device will really come, as it's looking too good to be true right now. Other tech giants are starting to play beyond the 100-watt charging department. Xiaomi has recently revealed 200-watt hypercharge technology, but this is some miles away from becoming commercially available. So what do you guys think about this video? Would you be interested in buying Infinix now this month? Leave a comment down. If you have enjoyed the video, then a like would be cherished. Thank you.